Higgsfield just released a major update to their Kling engine, Kling 2.6 Audio, and this fundamentally changes how AI video is created. Unlike traditional AI video tools that generate silent footage and force you into post-production, Kling 2.6 Audio generates visuals, motion, atmosphere, and expressive voice together, all in a single pass. In this video, I'll walk you through Kling 2.6 Audio directly inside Higgsfield AI and share proven techniques for creating cinematic, movie-like scenes, along with step-by-step guidance to help you generate high-quality, visually compelling videos. These are some of the results we'll be covering in this video.
The earth splits open, releasing unstoppable fire. Witness the apocalypse as the city falls beneath my wrath! I see it now. Everything is connected.
All the prompts used are available in the description below. To generate these videos, we'll head over to the Higgsfield dashboard. As you can see, there are many options and templates available, but for this walkthrough, we'll navigate to the video section and select Kling 2.6 to begin generating our videos. Here, you'll notice a range of settings and controls you can work with. Upload a reference image or generate one. Below that, you can write your prompt to describe how you want the video to look. Then you get the option to decide whether you want to add audio or keep it silent. After that, you can choose the model for your video. As you can see, there are a bunch of options like Higgsfield, Minimax, and VO3. But for now, we'll go with Kling 2.6. Next, you can set the video duration, the maximum scene length is 10 seconds, and choose your aspect ratio. Kling 2.6 also supports full 1080p, which is honestly insane. Once everything's set, just hit generate, and within seconds, Higgsfield delivers the results you're looking for. Let me show you a live demo. I'll paste in the prompt and hit generate. And within seconds, the results are ready.
The earth splits open, releasing unstoppable fire. Witness the apocalypse as the city falls.
The output looks incredible. Now let's take a closer look at how voice delivery and motion work together in Kling 2.6. I'm using this image as a reference and creating a short, humorous scene featuring 3 guys going on a road trip.
So, the first stop is the gas station. Do we really need snacks? I mean, it's just a road trip. Snacks fuel the journey.
Here's a quick tip if you want better camera angles. Try adding specific shot details to your prompt. Things like a wide 2-shot, over-the-shoulder shots during back and forth dialogue, close-ups on each speaker to capture expressions, and side profile shots. These small additions make a big difference in how cinematic the final result looks. Now, to test whether it can actually create ads, I'm using this cosmetics product as a reference. And here's a prompt I'm going to use. Handheld selfie shot of a woman holding her phone, speaking directly to camera. She holds up the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask beside her face, saying a quick skincare line, then smiles confidently. Natural indoor lighting, casual UGC vibe, authentic delivery. Here are the results.
Mask is the secret to glowing skin overnight.
Kling 2.6 gives the voice that matches pacing and emotion. All right, now let's create a scene that looks truly insane. To do this, we're gonna use both Nano Banana Pro and Kling 2.6 together. To get started, head over to Higgsfield's dashboard and navigate to Nano Banana Pro in the image section. I'll use this image as a reference and paste in this prompt, which anyone can use. You only need to modify the title to create any scene you want. Once we hit generate, Nano Banana Pro gives us a full list of scenes. From there, we'll extract the ones we like. Here's a really easy trick for that. I simply ask it to extract a specific image by writing something like extract row 1, column 1, and repeat the same process for the other images I want. After extracting the images, we move over to Kling 2.6. We upload each image individually and use a simple prompt to add camera angles and character movement. We repeat this for the remaining images, and when everything comes together, the results are absolutely insane. All right, now I'll break down how you can create a cinematic scene like this.
What was that?
The key is using a detailed prompt that clearly defines every part of the scene. To make this easier for you, I've created a reusable prompt format that lets you build similar cinematic scenes just by swapping in your own details. The format looks like this: scene title, total duration, style and tone, shot-by-shot breakdown with timestamps, audio or script notes, a detailed visual prompt for each shot, explicit camera movement for each shot. This structure helps Kling 2.6 understand exactly what you want, resulting in scenes that feel far more cinematic and intentional. I've also included this prompt format in the video description so you can use it yourself. Higgsfield is currently offering unlimited Kling 2.6 audio generations for users on the Ultimate Plus plans. That's unlimited video with audio, which is extremely rare in this space, and a huge reason creators are switching to Higgsfield. I'll leave the official Kling 2.6 audio link in the description below. Kling 2.6 Audio is one of the first AI video tools that truly treats sound as a first-class feature, not an afterthought. Audio, motion, and timing are generated together, which makes a huge difference in how immersive and usable the final result feels. I also want to briefly point out the comparison graphic you're seeing here. It clearly shows that Higgsfield currently offers the lowest pricing on the market, especially when it comes to Kling 2.6 audio generations compared to other major platforms. If you care about speed, immersion, and predictable results, make sure to check the link in the description to learn more about unlimited Kling 2.6 audio generations. And if this video helped you, consider subscribing for more AI workflow breakdowns like this. I'll see you in the next one.